What's up, guys? My name's Brett Horn. Welcome to the channel. That's Oliver. You'll probably see him in the videos. He's my companion. He does everything with me, and he just likes to follow me around. Now, as you can see, we are in my beautiful 12 by 20 foot shed. This is my workshop. This is where I will be doing almost everything. Is it very large? No, it's not. Is it cold? Yes, it is. Does it have heat? Sometimes, but we will bear through. Now, as you can see, I am a very disorganized person. This is something that I want to work on, so hopefully taking videos will hold me accountable. So, what we're going to do first, before I even start any work, is we are going to clean this shithole up. We are going to try our best to organize it, because later, as you'll see, I gotta put a wiring harness on here and try to dissect it. So that'll be a task on its own. But first, let's get to cleaning. I don't know what any of this means. To me it looks like a big rat's nest. That's probably because that's what it is. It's 40 years old and there's a lot of electrical tape and there's a lot of stuff that I just don't know where it belongs. What I do know is that what I need from this is the old harness, the chassis harness that was from the Mk2. I have disconnected the engine side of the harness. So now what I need to do is figure out what I don't need and what I do need from this old chassis harness. I do know that I need headlights. I need some fan relays and fan controls. I also need turn signals and then the battery leads. Otherwise, I think everything else can go. I'm not gonna cut until I get confirmation from somebody who knows more than I do, because I don't know what I'm doing. So let's see here. So first we gotta untangle this fucking mess. And that was a light bulb that I just broke, so that's not a good start. So this is one of the headlights. So we got one of the headlights over there, which goes to 2 connectors, 3, 4 connectors that I don't remember what they were to. And it goes into this big old fucking turkey foot looking thing. I don't know if you guys can see that, but then it breaks off into 3. And these connections are the ones that plugged into the fuse block inside the Mk2. So I need to keep those. This went to the old ECU. I don't think I need to keep that. And then our broken turn signal bulb that I just did. I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna get that out of there now. And this goes to the ECU again. So, this is where I unplugged from the engine side, which is only about 10 wires. I really should talk to somebody who knows what they're doing, because this is really confusing. And I really should have labeled what I was pulling off from where. But I think first things first, I'm going to take all the sheathing or covers off and then try to figure out what to do from there. So hopefully I can figure it out. So here's what really pisses me off about this. Just look at this. I mean, like, it's just like, I can't even call it a T, because it's like a chicken's foot. There's fucking 3 things bound into one, and you don't even, it just doesn't even make any sense. Fucking Boy Scout wrap this electrical tape? Because it's really impressive. I'm throwing up my hands. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna go watch the Steelers game. It's hot. It's really hot. Those metal shavings get really hot. Those ain't going anywhere.